Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions tutorial. And this is how to use Sling, a Sling tutorial for beginners for scheduling. So Sling is the easiest way to schedule and communicate with your employees for free. So this is a scheduling platform. So first thing you have to do is go to getsling.com. And here at their homepage, as you can see here, Sling is trusted by tens of thousands of customers just like you. So they have Subway, Juice Generation, Amazon, and other companies. So Sling is a very trusted app. So to get started, I'm going to show you how to register on this platform. So first things first is you can start over here. You can provide your email address or you can just sign in with your Google. So in my case, I'm going to sign in with my Google. Let's go ahead and click on it and I'm going to sign in and then a Sling logo will show up. And then from here, you will have an option to provide your company name. So I'm going to write on the Savvy Shop and then we're going to select an industry. So let's say my industry is cafe and we're going to select on the number of employees. So this website can hold up to 500 employees. But on our case, let's just choose 1 to 20 and we're going to hit on next. And then let's wait for it to load. And from here, what POS do you use? So specify your POS system to complete the sign in. So from here, you can select other if you have a POS system. But if you don't have a POS, you can just click on here. But if you have, you can just click on next. But in our case, we don't have one. So I'm going to click on we don't have POS. And then from here, you can set up your schedule. So from here, you will have a position name. So let's write on the position name. So I'll put up a server, baker, cashier, and manager. And then we're going to go on, click on next. So from here, we can now add employees so we can have a schedule for them. So I'm going to write in their names and their email address. So I'm just going to type in multiple names and the employees over here. And once you have provided their full name and their email address, you can just go ahead and click on Start Scheduling. So from here, guys, this will be their homepage. So first thing we have to discuss is we can go on here to the dashboard. So let's go on to the dashboard. And then from here, we have multiple options. We have dashboards, employees, the positions, the locations, the group, the tag, announcement, labor cost, and the settings. So here on the dashboard, we can have an option down below, a notification, and a roster. So here on the roster, you can build a schedule. So as of now, we haven't built a schedule, but if you have schedule built, you will have something like this on the sample over here. So next, we have employees. So here we have the list of employees that we have invited or that are active. So we will have here their ID, their position, their location, the group, their phone number. So your employees will be listed over here. And then next up is the position. And then from here, you can add position and you will see the number of employees on each position. So I made this earlier for positions. And now let's move on to the location. And then from here, you can add another location if you had a franchisee. So as of now, we only have one shop and we can provide an address and the time zone. And if you want to edit more, you can just hit this three button over here. And now let's go on to the groups. So here on the group, we will have a group chat so we can message multiple employees on how our business is going. And next up is the tags. So from here, you can tag employees to add a further details to their shifts and reports to ensure their jobs are covered and to keep employees clear on what expected of them during each shift. So tags is very important to make clear goals. And next up is the announcement. So here this is a very crucial tab because here at the announcement you will have an overall announcement for your business if you have an ongoing event or if you have changes on your business. And next up is the labor costs. So here at the labor costs, you can add wages to estimate and optimize your spending as you schedule. So you can upload projected sales to monitor your labor percentage and you can avoid exceeding labor budget or scheduling over time. And lastly, guys, we have the settings. So here you will have multiple options, preference, notification, company settings, schedule, time clock, labor cost, time off, and integration. So now, guys, let's move on to the next tab. So here we have schedule. So guys, here the schedule, this is a very crucial part of the business. So from here, you will have a secondary tab, which is the full schedule, my schedule, pending approval, and unavailability. So from here, you can just go ahead. If you scroll down, you can add a shift or a task. So from here, you will have the date, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And if you want to add a shift, you can just go ahead and click on this plus button. So let's go ahead and click on the plus button. And then from here, you can just provide the necessary information to create the shift. So from there, you can add schedule. And then once you created a certain shift, it will pop up on their category. So I can make multiple shift over here. I can make for Dana Duncan. I can make for Mark Cook. I can make for Spencer Howe. So we will have multiple options here. And now, guys, let's move on to the tasks. So here on the tasks, you can clarify your team's responsibility during each shift to ensure your employees are aligned on their to-dos time. So now, guys, let's move on to the messages. So from here, you can send messages to groups or individuals so everyone can be informed to build a better company culture. So we have here a group conversation and a private conversation. So this website is really useful. Not only they have a scheduling feature, they also have a messages feature. So now let's move on to the news feed. So here on the news feed, you can have pages so you can update your team on how your business is going and how your business is flowing. So we can have here the best employee of the month. So now let's move on to the reports. So here on the reports, this will be the data by pulling reports for a day, a week, a month for customizable periods. So from here, we have a payroll, attendance, a time off, and a sales. And now let's move on to the time clock. So from here, you can easily track employees' hours and export payroll reports for seamless payroll processing. And there you go. If you have any comment and if I missed anything, let me know. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And there you go. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.